Wait. I should see all of your notes, homeworks. I'll understand. Write neatly, okay? Somebody's notes I have seen just now is not neat.
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of scribbling is there in your notes. I have seen. I can see. Rohit is not there in the screen. Brightlin, show me your notes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand about the homework.
Only one, right? Numeral, right? Then other things you can write now. Simply telling excuses I don't like.
I wrote
Show me the
chart
other
also.
questions. Show me the other questions.
Ma'am.
Brightlin. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, Rohit. I'm not there in the picture. Rohit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote that place value chart, but I forgot to write the lines.
Camera.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, can't you see us?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
1 second. 1 second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote that place value chart, but I forgot to write the lines.
Amen.
Ma'am, I wrote the.
Every day you have one excuse. Every day. Every day.
Not that I did that place value chart full, but.
No buts.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you see my place value?
Yes. Brightly, I can understand those. Tanya, I did not see. Tanya.
Ma'am, Angela,
Richard Melking.
Ma'am,
Richard.
Place one, ma'am.
Okay, others. Wait.
Ma'am, these lines I forgot.
Keep it down. Richard.
Value chart.
Ma'am.
Richard, show me your notes. Tanya, okay. Brightlin, Richard. Amen. Excuse.
I did the homework, but I forgot to write the lines over here. These lines.
Ma'am.
To divide it, I forgot to write the lines.
Somebody is asking me something. I told you to write the homework and show me. And they are telling some excuses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I am saying he wrote that, but the design is not correct as he gave.
Design.
Lines. Ma'am, lines are not there, right, ma'am? They are in the place value chart.
Amen. I'll give you nicely. See, if you are continuing like this, every day you have an excuses to tell.
He is saying lines, ma'am.
Tania, okay, so Brightlin, Melking, Richard.
Yes, ma'am.
Ambrose is not there in the screen.
Ma'am.
Okay, other children can leave. Other children can keep the notes down.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written the note.
Who? Show me your notes then. Homework.
Ma'am, you did not show my book.
Homework, Richard, homework.
That is homework, ma'am.
This one, table.
Yeah, ma'am, place value chart, right?
That is the homework. So you are not listening to my class.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, that question he wrote the answers in the place value chart. He wrote that numbers in the place value chart to put the commas.
Who told you to write like that? Okay, I will explain now. So, children, did you understand the international system of numeration?
Yes, ma'am. That's clear. Clear.
That's clear.
We understand the
Okay,
international
okay.
system.
Okay.
Like
One
what?
second.
Millions.
One second.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask you one?
Yes.
Ma'am, at the homework, that fourth you gave, I have done everything, but the second one I was having a doubt.
I am explaining now, child. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will explain now. Now no more questions, I'll explain now. Okay. This was the homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That
So
second and third.
Second question A. 73 lakh 75,307. Okay, Shreya, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the number. 73.
75,300.
You read like this. 73.
Okay, okay, ma'am. 73, comma, 75, comma, 307,
73, 75.
comma, 307.
Is it correct, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And B, if you are made a mistake, you can correct it. Now
Ma'am,
B.
Ma'am, I have a network issue. Can I rejoin?
9 crore 5 lakh 41. Gautam.
9, 05,
05
comma, 00,
00 no 1000
comma, 0,
4
1, 4, 4, 1.
1 correct.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, I did it. Yes.
Who is that?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. It was unmuted.
Who is that person actually?
Ma'am, it was unmuted.
Angelina Martin.
Angelina Martin. Okay, keep quiet. Next, C. Okay, Agne.
Yes, ma'am. 7, comma,
7 comma
5, 2, comma,
5 2 comma
2, 1, comma,
2 1.
3, 2, 0, 2. No, ma'am, 302. 302.
Accept
Is
next.
it okay?
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Then D.
D,
Sri
ma'am.
Shankar. Sri
Yes, ma'am.
Shankar.
Ma'am, first can I read it?
Like
50.
this.
Yes, ma'am. 58,423,202.
Then tell.
58. First 58.
58.
Then comma, then 423.
423.
Then 202.
Correct, ma'am.
423.
Okay, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
Then. Agne.
Yes, ma'am.
Agne tell.
23, comma,
23 comma
30, comma,
30 comma
010.
010. Is it correct?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
So if you made a mistake, you can correct it now. Okay. Now, shall I rep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now third one, insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So third question A.
Can you repeat that answer of E 23 lakh 30,010?
You tell the answer. Let me see.
Ma'am, is it 23 comma 30 comma 010?
Yes.
Correct, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am.
Next, Chinmay. How to put the comma and just read the number name. Chinmay is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Can you hear me?
ah. Yes, put the comma. Indian system.
8,75,
Right, put the comma from the right side.
in between 5 and 7.
Yes. This, correct?
Yes.
Ah. And read the number. You did not do? It's muted, unmute.
8 crore 15 lakh 95,700.
Not 15, 75. You did not do the homework? 75 lakh.
75 lakh 95,762.
Okay, correct. Next person. Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, the comma between 6 and 2,
yes.
between 5 and 4.
Ah, now read the number.
Ma'am, 85 lakh 46,283.
Correct, very good. Now, John Sebi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, between 0 and 0.
Yes, this here and here. Okay, now read.
Nine crore
Mm.
99 lakh
Mm.
46.
Correct. Now, D.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. Angelina Jose.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Question number D.
Ah.
We should put comma after.
Okay. It is there. This question number D. You tell where to put the comma.
Yes, ma'am. Between 9 and 8.
Mm.
Between 4 and 3.
Mm.
And between 2 and 7.
Ah. Then read.
9 crore 84 lakhs 32,701.
Correct. Okay. So that question also
Thank you,
got
ma'am.
over. Okay, good. Now, fourth question. And we have to write International System of Numeration. Insert the comma and write the number name in International System of Numeration. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now we have to write this or it has homework.
I have given you as a homework, right?
No, ma'am.
You gave, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you gave.
I gave.
Okay, ma'am.
I have
If you did not do, you can do it. Not now, later. Okay. So we are Manu. Will you tell how to put the comma?
Between 0 and 1.
Yes.
Between 7 and 8.
Yes. And will you read it?
7. 7 million.
Is it
Ma'am,
correct,
inserting
children?
comma is wrong.
Is it correct, children?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
8 million.
So,
Ma'am, can share.
is it Cheryl, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Between 8 and 9.
Hmm.
Between 1 and 0.
Yes. And read the
Seven-
number.
78 million
Hmm.
921,092.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Now, who read this previously?
Ma'am,
We are Manu.
Manu, you correct your answer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then. Now, Rizin.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the comma.
Between 2 and 2,
Hmm.
between 7 and 4,
Yes. Now read the number.
7,452,283.
I told no. It is awkward to tell and in between, right? So 7,452,283 enough.
Okay, ma'am.
So it will be very clear.
Okay, ma'am.
C. Shiva Gayatri. Shiva Gayatri. Are you okay, Shiva Gayatri? Adinath, tell. Adinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Commas between 5 and 1.
Correct. Then?
Then between 9 and 9.
Yes. And will you read?
Yes, ma'am. 99,985,102.
102. Correct. Good. Okay. Now Anandesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Between 8 and 0.
Yes. From right you
nine-
tell. From right. Between 9
Ma'am.
and 8.
Between 9 and 8. Between 8 and 0.
Then read.
48,49,831.
Correct. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, it's correct.
Okay, good. So this was the homework. You wrote everything, right?
Ma'am, I think so my network went that time. I
Okay.
didn't write.
Okay,
Sorry,
children.
ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Now, okay then. Now we will move to our next session. So we studied about International System of Numeration. Do you have any doubt in that, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. So shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
In that exercise 1.1, some more questions are there. Today we have one more period, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show the question. See, this one. So that I will explain. After that, before that, I will send one slide to you for the comparison of Indian system and international system. Okay, children? Comparison of Indian system and international system.
I should write that.
So after today evening, I'll send. So after writing that slide, we will do this question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Fill in the
So-
blanks.
so-
I have already done it in the textbook.
Who told you to do? Okay, then. Now, will you write the heading large numbers in practice? Will you write the heading? Large.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you write this heading? Large numbers
Yes,
in
ma'am.
practice. I'll zoom in.
Yes, ma'am.
Large numbers in practice. That is our next heading. Large numbers
Yes,
in
ma'am, done.
practice. Hmm?
Yes.
Ma'am, I had a small network issue.
So did you write that? Large numbers in practice, all
Yes,
of you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you? And underline.
Underlined, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now keep the pen there and listen. See, children, here in this type of questions, what we are doing is we are using word problems. We are doing the word problems with all with the large numbers. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with only large numbers. Okay, like a crore, lakhs. So all the numbers in these word problems are all large numbers, all crores, lakhs. Okay. So that is large numbers, how we are doing it in practice. That is our question. So can you see example 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, example one,
Yes,
will
ma'am.
you write
Ma'am,
this?
ma'am, can you zoom
Sure,
the
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am, we will
Can
write
you
it.
zoom the screen?
Yes, this much only I can zoom. Population of Sundarnagar was, will you write that? Question.
Yes, ma'am. Can
Yes,
you
ma'am,
give
we will write
5
it.
minutes?
No, 5 minutes you need for that.
No need, ma'am.
Or
3 or
2
2.
minutes.
1 minute.
Write first.
Now, can we look at the textbook?
If you have your textbook, you can look.
Ma'am, we should write this in the note.
Silly questions. Again, that rubbish question at all. No, this question is banned only. You, where is this? Who is that person?
Ma'am, Richard.
Richard. Show me your notes, Richard.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is there in that.
What, ma'am?
All the notes you are writing in that.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, but textbooks are on another note.
Why? Only one note is enough. Okay, Richard.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything in one note. Why you are carrying 2-3 notes?
So we can understand what
Ma'am,
is.
what is that word? Sundarnagar?
Sundarnagar, that one city, one place.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, only the question.
Only the question.
Done, ma'am.
You tell me when you are finished or not.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm finished.
Okay, children. Now I'll read the question. Population of Sundarnagar was. What is that number? Will you read?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2 lakh
2,35,471.
71. In the year 1991. Okay. So it was the population. What do you mean by population?
Ma'am, the number
The
of
number of
people in that
people.
place.
Number of people.
Sundarnagar.
Again, living in a city or a country or whatever it is. So population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. Okay. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. 72,958 people were increased. That much increment. Okay. This many people are more. This many people are more. So what was the population of the city in 2001? That is our question.
Ma'am, we have to add.
We have to add. We have to add. Okay. So this question is based on addition. So we have to add these 2,72,952. Okay, children.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you don't need of writing all the steps given here. Just write as answer population of the city in 2001 equal to this one
Number
and add only that.
Okay, ma'am.
In between those steps you can avoid. Did you understand?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we understand it.
Ma'am, so we
Excuse me,
should
ma'am.
also write population of the city in
I underlined, right?
I'm echoing.
We can also write the population of the city in 1991.
What I told.
Ma'am, I got correct.
There was a network issue.
Population of the city in 2001 and only this much. Clear?
Clear, ma'am. We are writing, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Population of the city
Yes,
in
ma'am, I got
2001
it.
equal to.
the addition in the
working
column or in the.
This one, it is a direct addition. 1 second. This is a part of our answer. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
This is not the extra work you are not doing. This is not the extra work. This is a part of your answer. So it should include in your proper, the main part. Don't write in the working column. Any extra work, extra calculation is
Okay,
there that you can do in the working order.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. I got the answer before.
What
itself.
is the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
3,08,430.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
3 lakh
3 lakh?
8,429.
Yes.
Yes. This is our answer. So you put the comma and keep it properly.
Yes, ma'am. I put the comma.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
It is there now.
Ma'am, without looking at it.
I also without looking.
Now, it is not there. Because now it is not the time.
Someone's audio is
Ma'am,
Voice
someone's
chatting.
audio.
That time.
Someone's voice is coming.
Clear, children? Those who finish can write example 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, only question, right? After
Write
this,
only the question. Only the question.
that's done, ma'am.
After that, we will have a discussion together. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, second question is finished.
Wait. All of you finish?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can finish the second.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, children, I'll read the question now. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002-2003 was 7,43,000. Okay. In the year 2003-2004, another year, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. So two numbers. One is 7,43,000 and 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold? More bicycles. How many more? That is our question.
We have
If
to
I am
separate it,
asking,
ma'am.
Understood.
if I am asking you, you have 10 toffees, I have 15 toffees.
2003 and
Who has
2004.
got
the
more?
Ma'am, can you please repeat who has that?
Type
15?
them.
You have 10 toffees, I have 15 toffees. Who
You
has
are-
got more?
You have the more, ma'am.
Yes.
How many more? How
Yes.
many more?
2003.
5
No, we
more.
should subtract.
Five more.
Five more. Yes.
How to
Subtract.
By
subtract? You
subtracting,
have
we
to
can get.
subtract. Okay.
Yes.
How to subtract? So
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
write the answer.
Ma'am, so we have to write that sentence fully, clearly.
No. You can write. You can write clearly. This everything you can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Check the answer up to this. Up to this. I noted, no? So everything you can write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, at the last we can write in the year.
Everything what I have given.
Okay.
Ma'am, we should write the answer.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, that's check the answer by adding, so that also it's a direct one.
Yes, everything.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, keep quiet. Let the others do.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done. Done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished.
See, let me read the name. Alim Zian is there. Alim Zian. Alim Zian.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Alok Pulikil is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Amna Fatima. Amna
No.
Fatima.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ayman. Present.
Present.
Blaswin.
Present, ma'am.
Blaswin.
No, ma'am.
Catherine Maria?
No, ma'am.
Chinmay?
Chinmay is present. Yes.
DIMD present. Neha Sharath?
No.
Razil Benha?
Fazil or Rizin, ma'am?
Razil Benha not there. Rohit K. Jayan? Absent.
No, yes, ma'am.
Rudra Krishna? Rudra Krishna?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Vinayak?
No, ma'am.
Vinayak?
No, ma'am.
Vaigari? No. See children?
No, ma'am.
So those are present.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Sri Shankar sir.
Ma'am, did you call Razeen? You did not call me.
Yeah, I did not call. I noted your attendance and absentee name only. I called now. Clear?
And
I heard out.
And can you
Ma'am,
show
Ma'am, Angelina Martin is here.
I know. No need of telling. Especially you are there. I know. You are making different noises now in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write this number 57,100 bicycles were more than were more sold in the year.
It is there. No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you didn't.
No need. No need. Up to this is enough. Okay.
It's the addition index.
So children, shall I wind up?
Ma'am, you told you will send a slide in WhatsApp, no? So that we can note with the.
Both the Angelines are same. All you are making the
ma'am.
noises in the class.